In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Apple Music in Framer. First, open your Framer project. On the canvas, click the highlighted section where the Apple Music player will live. If elements are stacked, keep clicking the highlighted layer until the actual embed is selected. You'll know you have the right one when the right-hand sidebar shows its detailed settings for layout and appearance. With the embed selected, open the position controls in the right panel. Set the alignment, pins, and size so the player sits exactly where you want across desktop and mobile. If you're designing responsively, consider using percentage width and auto height so the player scales cleanly without clipping. This is also a good moment to check spacing from adjacent components to avoid crowding. Next, look for overlays. This determines whether the player appears above other content, like in a floating panel or a modal. Toggle the overlay if you want the player to sit on top of the page, and choose the placement that best fits your layout. If you prefer it embedded in line, simply leave overlays off so it stays within the normal flow. Open transforms to fine-tune its position. Use small X and Y adjustments for precise nudging, and keep scale at or near 1 to preserve sharpness and accessibility. Avoid rotation on media players for usability and keyboard navigation consistency. In the Media Provider menu, click the current label. This might read Simplecast. To open the list of providers, then select Apple Music. That switch tells Framer to load the correct embed and controls. If you don't see the provider list, double-check that the embed layer, not a parent frame, is selected. Choose the dark appearance to match darker backgrounds, or keep light for bright sections. Preview quickly by toggling Show to see the player in context, then Hide to return to editing without visual noise. Make sure the player sits inside your scroll section so it participates in normal page scrolling. This helps prevent unexpected overlap with sticky headers or animated sections and keeps performance smooth on mobile. For advanced behavior, open code overrides. Here you can wire interactions, like play or pause triggers, to component states or scroll positions. Keep overrides minimal, so the native Apple Music controls remain intuitive and accessible. When everything looks right, click Publish. Framer will build and push your changes live. After publishing, open the page in a fresh browser session to confirm the player loads, aligns correctly, and plays as expected on both desktop and mobile.